Okay, so we just drove around for probably like over an hour trying to find places. We found one and it was like people owned it, they lived right behind it. So that was kind of sketchy, so we didn't do that one. Then we found other ones. I don't know. We couldn't find one though. So we're finally parked and we think we can explore one, which is like pretty good. It's a big house and we drive past it all the time and it's like set up on a truck and it's been there for so long.
I don't know.
But like, there's like a barn and a house.
If they're like planning to move it a while ago or anything, but it's just been there for so long.
Yeah, so we're gonna explore that. So finally got here.
Yeah,
it's been like an hour.
Such a long time. Okay, so we're just walking over to it now. You can see it over here. Looks pretty good, but making our way over. It's weird how it's just been on this truck all these years. Like, I don't know if they plan to move it or not, but it's never moved. How clean is this?
Okay, I'm just gonna scope it out, make sure no one's in here. Just be careful looking. Oh, whoa, we could have just crawled up through there. That goes upstairs. Come in here. Let's see. We're good. There's a closet. There's the stairs right there. Okay, we're still exploring the downstairs. Let's see this door. Okay, so we went in that one room that you guys saw. I'll put it in right now. There's a mattress, heat warmers, clothes, everything. So I'm pretty sure someone's living in here. Yeah. So we heard a knock and we didn't know if it was like a door shutting or something, so we ran out, dropped through the floor and crawled under there. But yeah, that was why we ran. I don't know if you can hear the noise that clear, but yeah, I don't know if there's someone in there or not. We're trying to scope it out, but that's why, yeah, that's why we're like sketched out about it.
From the bottom, did we just get like
jump out the window?
I will if someone's after it.
Let me come down here with you.
Whoever lives here's got a pretty good thing going. They like put this in themselves. I see what they
I think this used to go to the basement if it was a house, like, because there's a handrail, so you'd just be walking into the basement, but I'm not for sure. But yeah, we're getting out now. Ugh. Try and hold the camera still on my board too. It's raining a little more, I think. And we out here. Okay, so yeah, we'll just look at the barn real quick. Not too much, it's pretty open, just flat, but you guys can see it. There's a dead bunny in it. Oh yeah, there is. So we didn't talk much in the building, in the house I guess, but because we weren't sure if there was someone in it or not, because that room, it looked like there was like definitely someone living there. There was heat packs, what are they called?
Like hand warmers?
Hand warmers, like all through it and stuff. There's food all stored in the fridge. So yeah, I don't know if they're still living there or what, but yeah, that was scary. We scoped it out though. But yeah, I guess like we don't advise to go explore places because it is dangerous. We didn't know what we'll find. You never know.
It's pretty interesting. It looked pretty original. Like,
yeah,
actually wasn't that
it was sweet. And yeah, the whole floor was just nice, so you could skate in. It was wood. But yeah, that was fun. It was sweet in there. But yeah, always be careful. I'm not saying like if someone's living in there, they're gonna be like crazy and dangerous. Yeah. But you never know. Took us a while to find it, but we skated and then we got to do that. So hope you guys enjoyed it. Drop likes. I don't even know. For 35 likes. 35 likes, we'll go back with a flat bar and skate in there and like do a flat bar sesh inside that house for 35. Yep. Thank you guys. Thanks for everyone who subscribed. It means so much. We're at 200. Finally hit that. We still have to film 100 tricks for 100. Yeah. We gotta get on top of that. But see you guys later. Hope you enjoyed this one.
He was like super sweet and he was just hiding me out.